this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a V380 Pro away from home. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To connect your V380 Pro camera for viewing when you are away from home, the camera must be configured for Wi-Fi station mode, so it can connect to the internet via your home router. So to start, you first must set up the camera. If you didn't set up the camera before going abroad or going away from home, then sadly, I'm not sure if this is going to work or if there's any way to actually get it to work. But if you are doing this before going away, open up the app, tap the plus sign to add the camera here, and then just go through the usual process. First, they are going to offer to add the camera using a QR code. If this is easy for you, then just scan the QR code using your camera here from your phone and proceed. Alternatively, you can tap on this button here to see more additional connection methods or select Add Device ID. Either way, you will be able to proceed with all of these settings here. So choose one that suits you and make sure that you add the camera to the application. There is no secret to this. In this example, the device ID is being used. And then once the camera has been added onto the home screen, it is going to appear here, so you can monitor it when you are nearby. And like I said before, as long as you set it up through Wi-Fi station mode, it is going to be available for you to manage. So you can go into the settings and change additional options, but upon it being connected here, you can access the camera at any point, even away from home. Just make sure that it is set to Wi-Fi station mode, and every time that you open the app, it is going to be available. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.